Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G75, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold power button and volume up, which will bring out your boot options, and from here select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume down at the same time. And after a moment, once you see that the device turns on with like logo on a screen or anything like that, let go of the power button. There we go. And here, using volume buttons, you want to select recovery mode, so it's visible right here, like so, and then confirm it using your power button. Now before we are taken to the recovery mode, we are blocked by the no command right here, so hold power button, press volume up once, and let go of both of the buttons. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. Now in here, again, you'll use volume buttons to navigate, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And going over the options, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Then we have Reboot to Bootloader, which will bring us back to the previous page, the one that we've seen after turning off the device. We also have Enter Fastboot Mode, which also might actually take us to bootloader, though actually we might actually have actual fastboot mode here. Anyway, next we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.